Problem 16, we're taking a look at a set of these Russian nesting dolls. And they're going to be on a windowsill that is 92 centimeters long. We know a few things about these dolls. First of all, there's 20 of them in the set, and their diameter is given by this formula, which is written in first term form. We know it's written in first term form because of the n minus 1 that is in there. That means that 13 is the first term, and 3 is our common difference. So if I'm looking at this series, I have 13 plus my next one will be 16 plus 19 plus ... plus the last term. To figure out that last term, I can use my equation here. So I know that t of 20 is going to be 13 plus 3 times 20 minus 1, which is 13 plus 3 times 19, which is going to equal 70. So the last term is 70. So now, to figure these out, use what we learned in problem 4, I'm making a rectangle. My rectangle, this side of the rectangle is going to be my first term, plus my last term, for a total side length of 83. This side is going to be my number of terms, which is 20, divided by 2. So now I have 83 times 10 for my area. That's 830 millimeters. To convert millimeters into centimeters, I just divide that by 10. So it's going to be 83 centimeters for all those dolls. We have a total length of 92. So yes, it will work out.